You need to watch this if you struggle with waking up to a dead car battery. Hey guys, welcome to Car Fix School. Ever walk out to your car, turn the key and get nothing but a click? That dead battery feeling ruins your day, especially when it keeps happening overnight. Modern cars are packed with electronics, making battery drains tricky to find. Pulling fuses at random? Bad idea. It can damage sensitive systems. The right way? Use a digital multimeter to check voltage drop across each fuse. It's safe, accurate, and won't mess up your car's electronics. Grab your tools and let's fix that battery drain for good. Old school tricks like pulling fuses or disconnecting the battery don't work on today's cars. Modern vehicles are packed with computers that talk to each other, even after you turn off the ignition. These modules need time to shut down properly, saving data and preparing for the next start. If you pull a fuse too soon, you risk causing glitches, error codes, or even damaging sensitive electronics. Plus, modern cars never fully turn off. Some systems always draw a tiny bit of power to keep things like your clock, keyless entry, and security running. The real issue is a parasitic drain, when something fails to sleep and keeps drawing power, like a stuck relay or a light that won't turn off. To find it, let the car finish its shutdown process. This can take several minutes. Only then can you accurately check for unwanted power draws and avoid chasing false problems. You don't need fancy gear, just a digital multimeter that measures DC millivolts. Needlepoint probes help make solid contact with fuse test points. Access your car's fuse boxes, usually one under the hood, one inside. Your owner's manual or a quick online search will show fuse locations and diagrams. A trim tool and fuse puller are handy, and always wear safety glasses. Gather these tools and you're ready. Next, let's prep the car for testing. Getting the car into sleep mode is crucial. Roll down the driver's window so you can reach inside later without opening the door. Turn everything off, remove the key, and keep it far from the car, especially if it's keyless. Trick the car into thinking all doors are closed by manually latching them with a screwdriver. Lock the car from the inside, not with the fob, and step away. Wait at least an hour. Don't touch or check on the car. This lets all modules enter low power mode. Now we're ready to hunt for the drain. Time to test. Set your multimeter to the lowest DC millivolt setting. Reach through the open window and start with the engine bay fuse box. Touch your probes to the test points on each fuse. No need to remove them. Most fuses should read 0 or near 0 millivolts. Small flickers are normal. We're looking for a fuse with a much higher, steady reading. Test every fuse in both boxes methodically. When you find a fuse with a significant voltage drop, you've found the suspect circuit. That circuit is drawing power when it shouldn't. This is your parasitic drain. Make a note of the fuse number. Let's confirm and fix it. Start by checking your owner's manual or the fuse diagram, which will help you identify exactly what system that particular fuse controls. This step is crucial because it narrows down the possible causes of the battery drain, saving you time and effort. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and symbols in the diagram, as this will make the troubleshooting process much smoother. Often, the culprit is a hardware issue, like an aftermarket amplifier, a stuck interior light, or even a faulty electronic module. But don't overlook software glitches, which can sometimes cause systems to stay awake and drain power even when the car is off. Modern vehicles are packed with electronics, so both hardware and software can be at fault. Before you start replacing any parts, it's a smart move to call your dealership or a trusted mechanic. There could be a technical service bulletin, a software update, or even a recall that addresses your exact issue. Getting professional advice can save you money and prevent unnecessary repairs. To confirm you've found the problem, unplug the suspected component or remove its fuse. This isolates the circuit and lets you see if it's truly responsible for the drain. Next, retest the fuse with your multimeter. If the reading drops to 0, you've pinpointed the source of the drain. This simple test is one of the most effective ways to confirm your diagnosis. Once you've identified the faulty part or circuit, replace or repair it as needed. After making the fix, repeat the sleep and test process. Let the car sit, then check the current draw again. This ensures your repair was successful, and that no other hidden drains remain. To prevent future battery issues, make it a habit to keep your battery terminals clean and free of corrosion. Dirty or loose connections can cause all sorts of electrical problems and reduce battery life. If you plan to leave your car parked for an extended period, consider using a battery maintainer or trickle charger. These devices keep your battery healthy and fully charged, even during long periods of inactivity. And remember, after jump-starting a dead battery, always recharge it fully with a proper charger. This helps restore its capacity and prevents future problems. By following these steps, you'll not only fix the current battery drain, but also protect your vehicle from similar issues down the road. You're taking control of your car's health and saving money on repairs. Problem solved, and you did it yourself. Thanks for watching, and drive with confidence knowing your battery is in great shape.